Here are the two melodies that you heard just previously on the slideshow. The first melody, followed by a bar of rest, and the second melody. The first thing we want to do is make sure we know what key these two melodies are in. I see a key signature of 1 flat, which says either D minor or F major, but there are some clues right away that this is D minor. For example, I see some altered scale degrees, and here's the C sharp turning back into the C natural. So that suggests that we might be in D minor. Now let's sing this melody in scale degrees, and that will tell us whether it makes good sense in D minor or not. And first I will label the scale degrees. If this is D minor, if D is 1, then F is scale degree 3. So we have 3, 2, 1, some version of 7, 1, some version of 6, and then 2 5s. I'll put the little carets on there to show that these are scale degrees. And does this melody make good sense in D minor? Sure it does. It starts on scale degree 3 on its beat. It moves down to 1. It decorates 1 a little bit. And it closes on scale degree 5. That makes a lot of sense. Let's do the same thing for the melody over here. Very similar, but a couple of changes. Okay, so we have a 3, 2, 1, a different version of 7, and then an altered scale version of 7, and then 6, 5. And I'll put the little carets on here. You can go back and hear these two melodies if you want to, or you can sing along with me. So if this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 7, 1, 6, 5, 5, versus 3, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5. Okay, which of these makes more sense in the key of D minor if this is music in the style of classical tonal art music? Well, we know that scales degrees 6 and 7 have two different versions in a minor scale. The lowered versions, the ones that tend to decorate 5 or reach down to 5 in D minor, are the subtonic, which is C natural, and the lowered scale degree 6, which is B flat. In other words, the ones that are in the key signature already. If we have scale degrees 6 and 7 being raised, in other words, decorating scale degree 1 or rising up to it, then we need a B natural raised up as half a step and a C sharp. And let's return to this melody. Well, here is a scale degree segment of 171 as we see up above. I see it's decorating 1, but I see a C natural, which is not a proper use. And here I see a scale degree 6 moving down to scale degree 5, but I see a B natural, which is also not correct. This is the better melody. Let's take a look at the changes to it. Here I see a raised scale degree 7, the leading tone, decorating scale degree 1, and then I see a lowered version of scale degree 7, the subtonic, followed by the lowered scale degree version of 6, so 1, 7, 6, 5, moving down to 5. So this is the better melody.